Although it's much more common to capture a visitor walking up to your door on camera, this instance captures a potential kidnapping victim in real time as the plan of action unfolds. On Tuesday, November 12, 2019, at 11:39 p.m., a Ring doorbell camera captured the guttural screams of a woman in distress in a Los Angeles suburban neighborhood. Many residents in the area were woken up by the woman's screams in the distance, and luckily, one of the neighbors had a Ring doorbell camera to capture the exact moment when a speeding car was transporting the victim against their will.